Morning everyone. I am down at Shellhabour this weekend, such a beautiful part of the coastline, and I've just got a few waterfalls to check out because there's so many down here. I'm catching up with a really good friend of mine who I met through freediving a couple months back, which is really cool. It's nice to be able to meet like-minded women, so we're gonna go to a couple of waterfalls together, and then I'm gonna go check out some blowholes that are local or a little bit further south of this section as well. But yeah, last week I didn't get any video up because my freediving weekend was so cool. I'm officially a Wave 1 certified freediver, which I'm so excited for. Excited to get more in the water, just practice the skills a lot more, but I wasn't able to film as much as I thought I would have, although look, I didn't expect to film that much, in all fairness. Like, I knew it was going to be a weekend where I'd really have to have my focus on, and you know, having GoPro around just wasn't a priority. So I did get little bits of footage, which I'll put up next. But yeah, I know I said this last time, but if you haven't even put it on your radar, like, go and do a course. You don't have to go and do like a Wave 1, or you don't have to go for certification. You can just go and do a fun dive with Ellie and Jordan at Salty Pilgrims, because they're just the most beautiful people in the entire world. And even the people they get on board to help them, like, they're just all really cool people. And I think that if you are ever going to do something that is outside of your comfort zone, you have to be surrounded by those kind of people. And look, my friend Rachel, I met her through Salty Pilgrims as well. So you get to meet some really cool like-minded people. But I'm going to give you guys a little recap of what I've got of the freediving, which isn't much, and then we're going to jump into my weekend here and show you guys all the cool spots. But the rest of my trip is pretty much all down south, although I am doing a little trip up to Brisbane. Haven't decided if I'm gonna do a little video for that one yet. I don't know if I'm doing anything too crazy, but either way, I'll jump straight in and we'll get into the weekend. Hey guys, so I am out at Kiama at the moment. It is beautiful. Driving here along the coastline, I was like, I want to spend all day here. But I am here to see the blowholes, which I've already been distracted. I saw like a little kind of coastline and like you could kind of come off the cliff down some rocks, which is really cool. So just climbed down here because there's some really beautiful rock pools and I've got the camera. So I'm just going to see if I can get some cool snaps and then I will venture around and see if I can find the blowholes, get some coffee and just enjoy it because it's such a beautiful day today. So let me show you guys around.